Okay, here we are. This is the 2200mm internal width trailer, which means it's close on 2700 on the outside, 26 and 3/4. So it's much wider than usual. We have to carry the wide load flags on it. They are insertable so that you can take them out if you feel so inclined. I have just gone around the corner down the road with the flags on, and it's not as scary as I thought it would be. The flags are really useful for showing where the trailer sits with regard to the white lines on traffic. So that was something that I found more useful. Big tank on the front, 25 kgs, the normal box. I'll come round to that and show you what's in it. Carry a spare tyre. This trailer has a core 10 steel deck, 3mm steel, bolted down through the middle, and wherever we can, just to stop any drumming. Some pretty wheels and some lights that come on with the auxiliary switch. It's our standard airbags and standard suspension setup. Again, the flags at the back, they can just be lifted out if you need to lift them out. Our standard shocks and normal setup for the tail light. No reversing lights yet. We haven't found anything that's really useful and bright enough, and no one's really asked for them, so hadn't proved to be an issue. Really nice trailer. We use elect brakes. That's that Australian product that we've been reselling for some time. It's a great brake solution for this particular type of trailer. We've changed our hosing style from the stainless steel braided to this, which is still, it's a greater capacity, it's got more of an internal diameter, bigger tank, bigger fittings, which means the air works much faster. I will have to get it here, won't I, to unlock the magic box, because I've hidden it somewhere in my pocket. Hold the bus, please. We don't want people getting into the box and pinching our trailer, so I've made it as difficult as possible for myself to get into. I'm not the brightest fella sometimes. There we go. Okay, we finally got the box open. I may edit this, then again I may not. You can have it warts and all. So here is the standard control station. The compressor switch on or off. The main switch turns all of the battery on and off. This is the remote control device that will give us 4 channels, and these 2 relays are there to fool that 4-channel system into thinking it's a 6-channel system, so we can independently go all up or down, left and right, up or down, and identify the battery. Let's show you how it works then. Take one key, which I can close the box up. Necessary to work it. So the top key is all down. When I push the button, hopefully it'll work. Top key's all up actually. There we go. On the ground. Nice and low. Even connected to the car, you can see that it's quite low there. Next key's up. And that's about ride height, about there. It looks a bit springy when there's no weight on it, but that's why the shock absorbers are there. Ride height's about where it sits right now, but that's determined by load, of course. Now if we go down, I've also got left and right up independently if you need it for some reason. You might have an uneven load. All up. Or down. There you go. So that'll do for the moment. I will tell you some more technical stuff later on.